In today's video, I will teach you how to make YouTube videos in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and to find the right template for videos, icons, thumbnails, channel art, intros and outros, and even video ads, simply type in the keywords on the search bar. For YouTube video templates, you can simply type in YouTube video on the search bar. To find templates for YouTube thumbnails, simply type in the keywords YouTube thumbnail. To find templates for YouTube intros, simply type in YouTube intro. To find templates for YouTube outros, simply type in the keywords YouTube outro. To find templates for YouTube banners, simply type in YouTube banner. With Canva's free YouTube video editor, you can make videos with scroll-stopping effects and add stock B-roll footage. To do this, simply open the Elements tab and scroll down to find the video category, then click on See All to reveal Canva's stock footages. But you can also add your own videos by opening the Uploads tab and upload your own images, videos, and audios. To use text animation combos, you can simply click on the text that you would like to animate and click on the Animate button and choose from different animations that suits your video. But if you would like to apply the animation throughout the whole page, simply click on the page on the timeline, then click on the Animate button to reveal the page animation options. You can also trim, rotate, merge, crop, and cut your videos to get them looking exactly as you need them to. And once you're done, you can save it to your computer by clicking on the share icon at the upper right side corner and choose the right format for your file. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.